In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a template in Docusign, ensuring your important documents remain secure and accessible only to those with the correct credentials. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's head over to the Docusign website. If you're not already familiar, Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it an essential tool for handling documents in a fast-paced digital world. Open your web browser and navigate to Docusign's homepage. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your Docusign account, so make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself at the Docusign homepage. Here you'll see a variety of options to choose from. Look for the option labelled Templates in the main navigation menu. Templates are incredibly useful for automating repetitive document tasks and ensuring consistency across your agreements. Now, after clicking on Templates, you will be presented with a list of any templates you've created or have access to. Select the template you want to lock by clicking on its name. This will open up the details of your chosen template. Next, you'll need to click on the Edit button. This allows you to make changes to the selected template, including adding extra layers of protection. After you've clicked Edit, look for the Advanced Options tab within the Template Details page. This is where you can find more specific settings for securing your document. Under Advanced Options, locate and click on Template Password. Setting a password is a simple yet effective way to add an extra layer of security to your template, preventing unauthorized access. You'll be prompted to enter a new password. Be sure to choose something secure yet memorable. Consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure maximum security. Confirm your new password by entering it again when prompted, and that's it. You've successfully locked your template in Docusign, safeguarding your document with a password. From now on, only individuals who know this password will be able to access and make changes to your template. This is an excellent practice for maintaining the integrity of your documents and ensuring that only authorized users have the ability to alter them. Remember, keeping your account and documents secure is crucial, especially when dealing with sensitive information. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher or need to lock additional templates. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in maintaining the security of your Docusign templates. Happy signing!